This quick and easy lemon glaze for angel food cake is the perfect way to add some sweetness, moisture, and a drool-worthy texture to the cake. This incredibly flavorful lemon glaze for cake adds moisture and a touch of sweetness. You can easily adjust the consistency and even make it in advance. Types of lemon glaze for cake. Naturally, there are many different types of glazes for a cake that vary more than just in their flavor. A lemon glaze for angel food cake can have mainly two consistencies, creamy and fluffy or like a traditional glaze. You can also make more icing with still only powdered sugar, milk, and lemon juice. To get this consistency, you simply add less liquid, probably only the lemon juice. This icing will have to be frosted on and won't create a dripping effect. It is a nice glaze to decorate with as well. What you will need in making this recipe. Ingredients: 3 cups powdered sugar, 3 to 6 tablespoons milk, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, zest of 2 lemons. Step by step. Step 1. Sift the icing sugar well. Add 3 tablespoons of milk and lemon juice to the powdered sugar and whisk the ingredients well. You can add more milk to the mixture to help thin the consistency. Step 2. Whisk the glaze and pour it over the angel food cake. This lemon glaze recipe is fantastic because it has a nice thick consistency that will sit beautifully on top of the cake instead of thinning or running down completely. Adjusting the consistency. For this specific recipe, the glaze should sit on the cake thickly without running down to the bottom. It should have some movement to it so it can create a drip effect. To thin a glaze, add some more milk, but only a bit at a time. You will be surprised about how big of a difference a tiny amount of liquid makes. Tips and tricks. Even if you buy pre-sieved powdered sugar, we still highly recommend sifting the sugar. Again, you don't want to go through the trouble of making the glaze only to find at the end that there are lumps. If you do happen to have some lumps, simply pass the lemony glaze through a fine mesh sieve using the back of a spoon. This should help lemony any lumps bigger than the holes in the sieve or strainer. You can also easily change the flavor profile of this lemon glaze recipe by using any other type of citrus fruit. We like the citrus flavors more with the angel food cake, but you can use other flavored liquids that are similar in consistency. If you do not have fresh lemon juice, you can also use lemon extract or essence. You will only need about half or 1 teaspoon of essence or extract depending on the size of the batch. You will have to add more milk to help adjust the consistency. To store the lemon glaze for the cake, simply place it into a glass bowl and place a damp piece of paper towel over it. This will help prevent the glaze from drying out completely inside the fridge. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.